Today I will show you an app that is called iNaturalist to log species found in the wild, in field excursions, for example. So what you have to do first is to log in. I did it with Facebook to make it quicker. Then you go to settings, and what you have to do is to make sure that you have iNaturalist network from your country. In this case, for me, is iNaturalist from Ecuador. Then you first can explore a little bit the area that you are in and look for species that already people and scientists found already. For example, this guy found this species of fish, and you can see what he found more and the species and what they need to be identified further on. So you can see, well, I don't have any content now or news, but also to observe. To put an example, for example, I logged this picture that I took in Monaco. So what I did is to set the location where I found the picture and put it as closest as I can. The location, and then I click save, and I already have the location. You can put if it's captive or cultived or not, as I put it in the, this is from an aquarium. So, and then you put any suggestions to see if the app can find the species. You can put just the genus if you want, if you're not sure. As I said, as I put it just to show you. And then I clicked on save, and it's already logging in my observation. So I have one observation now, the location of where I found the species, as you see there, and it says that it needs more identification because it just has genus. So if you found the species, it will get into research grade.